Welcome back to Beautyistic. Today, we're diving into a nighttime skincare treatment that promises to work while you sleep. The Perricone MD Essential FX Acyl-Glutathione Intensive Overnight Moisturizer. This is a rich, targeted face cream formulated to deeply nourish, firm, and smooth the look of aging skin overnight. It comes in a 2-ounce jar and is designed for adult skin that's starting to lose its elasticity, suppleness, or radiance. So, what makes this overnight moisturizer special? The key active here is acyl-glutathione, a potent antioxidant known for helping to replenish the skin's natural moisture barrier and reduce the look of deep creases and wrinkles. Perricone MD pairs that with a lipid-rich vitamin F blend to reinforce the skin's protective barrier. The idea is to create a deeply hydrating anti-aging powerhouse that helps restore youthful bounce while you get your beauty sleep. Now, let's talk about how it actually performs in real life. I tested this moisturizer for a few weeks as part of my nightly skincare ritual, cleansing, toning, then applying this as the last step before bed. It's got a dense, balmy texture, but surprisingly, it doesn't feel greasy. It melts in smoothly, and within minutes, my skin felt plumped and sealed in. It's particularly comforting on nights when my skin feels dry, tight, or overexposed from exfoliating or active ingredients. By morning, I noticed a visible difference in hydration and softness. The surface of my skin looked smoother, and over time, there was a subtle improvement in firmness, especially around the jawline and smile lines. However, I will say this isn't a miracle cream. If you have very deep-set wrinkles, the results will be gradual and more about softening and preventing further breakdown than turning back the clock overnight. One thing to love? It didn't pill or clash with other serums underneath, and that's huge if you layer products. But one con, the scent. It's not overpowering, but it does have a slight medicinal edge that might not be for everyone. Also, because of its richness, it may not suit very oily skin types. For normal, dry, or mature skin, it's a strong contender. Now, is this helpful so far? If so, please like, subscribe, and click that bell icon so other beauty lovers can discover honest reviews like this. Your support helps keep Beautyistic going strong. Let's get into value. This is a premium product with a premium price tag, and it feels that way, from the weighty jar to the ingredient integrity. But you're paying for performance and science-backed formulations. If you're on a budget, there are less expensive creams with peptides or ceramides that offer good hydration and some firming. Think Olay Regenerist Night Recovery Cream. That said, they may not have the same depth of antioxidant technology or lipid delivery as Perricone MD. Compared to other luxury brands in this space, like SkinCeuticals or La Mer, this one holds its own well. It's less fragrance than La Mer and more science-forward in its claims. If you prefer performance-driven over sensorial indulgence, Perricone leans clinical and effective. The packaging is sturdy, hygienic, and feels luxe in hand. But it's worth noting that it's a jar, so you'll want to use a spatula to avoid contamination over time. In terms of longevity, a little really does go a long way. With nightly use, I'd say the 2-ounce jar will last around 2 to 3 months. I didn't need to reach out to customer support for this purchase, but Perricone MD is known for responsive service, clear ingredient transparency, and a satisfaction guarantee, which helps justify the splurge a bit more. There haven't been recent formula updates that I'm aware of, so what you're getting now is their tried-and-true version of this product. Bottom line, if you're in your late 30s or beyond and your skin is craving firming, cushiony moisture, and you don't mind investing a little more in your nighttime skincare, this moisturizer delivers. It's not flashy or heavily perfumed, but it gets the job done in a quiet, confident way. That said, oily or acne-prone skin types may want to tread carefully or patch test first due to the rich texture. Thanks for watching Beautyistic. You can find the link to shop this product in the description or comments below. And if you've already tried this overnight moisturizer, I'd love to hear what you think. Did it live up to the hype for you? Until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.